Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this GardenJoy cordless electric leaf blower. It basically comes in 3 parts and you simply snap them together as you see right there, so you can make it shorter if you like. Operating manual, charger here for the batteries. There's 2 batteries included, 21 volts. Super nice, and you plug it in right there to charge. The thing I like is that you can press this button and see how much charge you have left. Super easy to put the battery on. Simply snap it in. And then right here, you can control the speeds. It goes all the way up to 6 speeds, and it gets very strong. Let's go ahead and see how this looks outside. I'm gonna go ahead and press this to turn it on. As you can see, very powerful, super easy to use, highly recommend. Thanks for watching.